What's up, everybody? People think I'm an extremely positive person, and for the most part, I really am. Skype call with BK42, I'm pretty excited about it. Here we go. What an amazing call. Look at these shirts. I'm so excited. Thank you, BK42. These are unbelievable. BK42, you are the man. Gotta get that oil changed in the Beast. Been putting a lot of miles on it, so it's kind of overdue, actually. Can we do it? I do a daily vlog.
Oh. For YouTube?
Yep. So that's it. Not too long. Every once in a while, though, I fall off the positivity wagon. Yes, even me. Gonna go in here and do something that's long overdue. We're gonna check out a P.O. box for the channel. I now have a mailing address. I will list it up right here. It will also be in the description and in my about page. So if you guys want to send anything for me to open on the best hour of my day or in the vlog, don't hesitate to do so. Hello. Oil is all changed, ready to rock. Usually when I get down, it's because of a dust up in the community, or maybe my channel's not going as well as I think it should, or you know, something just goes wrong. This is the kind of stuff that happens. My favorite sandwich shop is calling me. It's right across the street. It's taking every ounce of willpower not to go over and get lunch. Apparently they have soda on sale here at Target, so gotta hit that too. The best part is no Monica here at Target today, so I get to explore the toy aisle. It's just the best. The Lego aisle. It's like kid heaven up in here. I love it. Look at this place. Gotta catch them all. Getting back up can be a challenge, no doubt. I mean, just doing things like this go a long way towards picking me up. Kinda creepy, headless kids. Honestly, the best hour of my day is almost always the best medicine. Well, because you guys are amazing. Another thing that always picks me up is going out and watching other amazing content creators work. It's so inspirational to me. If that doesn't work, phoning a friend is the last resort. Not because I don't want to talk to friends, but because I don't want to burden somebody else with my, well, less than positive mood. Sometimes you just gotta take a load off. There is just something so powerful about positivity and what it can do for you, and I love it. The amazing support of this community means that my negativity never usually lasts very long. You guys really keep me motivated and excited to keep doing this, and I'm telling you right now, I'm not stopping anytime soon. So do me a big favor, go out there and find your adventure. Have a great day. And I'll see you again soon.